Alright YouTubers, today I'm going to install the wireless remote control setup for my PowerDrive Minn Kota. There's a couple things you should know when you order one, or what you're looking for is to make sure whether or not you have the flat plug or the round plug. Mine is the flat plug. The package will actually show the flat plug on it, so make sure you order the right one. And I'll open this package and we'll get started. Again, this is the Minn Kota PowerDrive, so just make sure you know which plugs you have to connect this. Well, first off, we're going to open this guy up. I can do it without cutting myself. They're getting a little harder to find for these older power drives, but I had to give $150 for this one. We'll see how worth it is. Alright, it comes with a couple of, looks like maybe '20 stainless steel. Quite the book. And things around your neck. Fob remote, and the plug and play. Again, it has the flat ends. This end right here will be for me to plug my foot pedal back in also, so that I can use either or. Which is a good thing, because if the battery dies on this thing, you know, I'll probably get a spare, but if it dies, I don't have to take time to find this, retake this apart, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so the screws in the side, you take a number 3 Phillips head bit. We're going to take out the ones that came in it. This looks like it's probably just going to pop off. Okay, so here's the old ones. The kit came with new ones, so we'll swap these out. A bit longer ones. We're going to put this back in place. Okay, this guy, that's what the unit looks like. This mounts on the side. You don't want to cross thread it, so just get it started. Get this front one started. It's snug. This is plastic, so you don't want to break it, just snug it up. Okay, so not much for that. My flat plug, it's kind of obvious which ones go together. So get that hooked up. This one will go to my foot controller if I want to hook that up. But the cord's like 18 foot long, so a lot of times it's a pain just to have that thing all corded out on your deck. Alright, so it's all hooked up. Key fob, thing that goes around your neck. The batteries hooked up. You can check, see, that good. So just push the button, starts up, even beeps. So if I want it to go faster, I think this thing's going to be pretty cool. It starts up where you left off. So the cool thing about this also is it got a button on the head that if I point it in a direction, I hit autopilot and it just stays in that direction no matter what it has to do. So I use that a lot. So now I can put this under the deck. Don't have all that wire everywhere and the foot pedal. Just the fob. That's all there was to hooking it up. It was very simple. I think it's really going to be worth the money. I do a lot of sitting down, so the foot pedal, the steering is just so sensitive to everything that I think the remote control will be a lot better. So thanks for watching.